80 animals.
Owl.
Hello, everyone. I'm happy to see you again. How are you? I'm good. Do you enjoy 80 animals? I do too. This time we will learn a kind of bird, the owl. This is an owl. It has very round eyes. Let's learn some words to start.
Rat. This is a rat. It looks like a large mouse. It has a long tail, like a mouse. It lives in the wild, or in houses that people live in. Condition. If an animal has a condition for living, the condition affects its life. You see a giraffe in the picture. It is tall and has a long neck. Its body condition makes it easy to eat leaves off the tall tree. Fluff. This is a kitten. The arrow points to the fur of the kitten. Another name for the fur is fluff. Baby animals have fluff, and it is very soft.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Conditioned. Fluff. Rat.
Now you will read a story. After you read, you will take a quiz.
It is night. A bird in the tree cries, "Whooo, whooo." The bird is an owl. It looks for a rat, a snake, or a bird to eat. It has good conditions for hunting. It has large eyes and can see well in the dark. It can also hear well. It has a lot of fluff on its wings. So it makes very little sound when it flies down to its prey. It has strong claws. It can catch its prey well with the claws. It has a sharp beak, so it can attack its prey well. What is true about the owl's eyes? They are large. They can't see well in the dark. What is true about a hunting owl? Its strong claws help it. It makes a loud sound when it flies down. What is true about the owl? It can't hear well. Snakes are its prey.
Did you enjoy the class? Good! That's all for today. I will see you next time. Goodbye!